Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 8th of October 2021. I'm here for nursery reception year 1 and year 2 to give a shout out to all those children who have been amazing this week, and haven't you just? Look at these shout outs. We start off Miss Wright's superstars. You absolutely really are superstars. Look at these guys. So we've got Julian, we've got Grace, we've got Milana, we've got Frida, we've got Brody, we've got Ibrahim, we've got Vitra, and we've got Marcel. Well done, you guys. Look at that amazing work that you have all been doing. And a huge massive shout out for you nursery children, all being amazing and independent and working so hard and looking so smart in your school uniforms as well. Really, really well done. Huge shout out. Let's give a massive cheer everyone in class. Really, really proud of you. Well done. Keep up the good work. Moving on to Miss Ruffle says, look at these thank yous and shout outs for these reception children. My word. So we've got Elliot, we've got Hannah, we've got Katie, we've got Amadas, we've got Rowan, and we've got Alicia. Wowee. Look at you guys. Amazing work. Fantastic work as well there with the Play-Doh as well. It looks fantastic. Really good work. And then Rowan there, lots of writing as well. Hannah, star worker. Absolute superstar. Big smiles on your faces as well. Really well done. I know everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer now in reception as well, so really, really well done. Stand up and get a nice big round of applause. Well done, guys. We're going to shout out, look, Miss McTavish's class. Look at these guys as well. Massive smiles on their faces as well. You've got Mayus, you've got Rafaela, you've got Sunila, you've got Gretel, Zygmunt, and then Phoenix. Look at you guys working so hard. Big smiles on your faces, whether that's inside or out. Always enjoying school, always getting on really well. Stand up, guys, so everyone can give you a massive cheer. So really, really well done. So proud of you. Keep it up. Moving on to, look at these guys. Oh my word. Look at these year ones. Aren't they just amazing? So we've got Oliver, we've got Brilliant, and we've got Lincoln, we've got Emily as well, Dorian and Sarah. You guys have been working so hard this week. Emily, look at that amazing writing. The boys are working really well together. Great partner work there, and Dorian at the board as well. So really, really well. Loving your painting as well there, Emily and Sarah, reading well. Well done, guys. Stand up so everyone give you a massive cheer. Come on, let's give you all a big round of applause. Really well done, you guys, and keep up the amazing work. Moving on, look at these. Mr. Ackerman, shout out for trying hard and having a positive attitude. That's what we want. Positive attitudes. Look at you guys. Esme, we've got Kylo, we've got Lily, we've got Georgia, we've got Willow, we've got Domas, Lola, Jack, and Betsy. Look at that amazing attitudes, guys. Really well done. Nice and positive. Big smiley face. Lots of hard work going on as well, guys. So really, really well done. Proud of you, and keep it up. Stand up, everyone. Let's give you a massive round of applause. Well done. Moving on. Oh, look at this, Miss Begums. Look at these year twos. Look how much work they're doing as well. Just look at those books. It's phenomenal. Absolutely amazing. And massive smiles as well. So you've got Olivia, you've got Denelius, Caden, Bartos, Scarlett, Eliza, Mimi, Crystal, Maxwell, Noah, and Lily. Well done. Look at Eliza. Look at your beautiful work, Eliza. Amazing. And Maxwell, massive smile on your face. Really good, buddy. Well done, you guys. Come on, stand up. You know it. Stand up so that everyone can give you a massive cheer. Really, really well done. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep up the brilliant work. Oh, look at these year twos as well. My word. Look at this work and look at those proud faces. So you've got Noah, Anna Maria, head down, working really hard. Well done, Anna Maria. Alex, Kobe, Ethan, Adil, Toby, and Alexia. Guys, you are working so hard in year two. Really proud of you. Fantastic work. Big smiles on your face as well. Keep up. Keep on being amazing. Keep on being brilliant, because it's really, really lovely to give you guys a shout out. You know the drill by now. Come on, stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer in class. Really proud of you. Everyone can give you a big round of applause. Well done. Wow, thank you for all your hard. Everyone, thank you for amazing hard work throughout this week. It has been brilliant. What a brilliant way to end the week as well. Really celebrating all those amazing children, you absolute superstars. Mr. Allen is so proud of you, and I know your parents will be. Keep it up next week, and until then, everyone, bye-bye now.